Hey, hello everyone. How you all doing now? All today, I'll tell you about the top five best CSS courses that are online, and all the courses links are given below in the description box. After the ending of this video, go and check out that also, and subscribe our channel Course Avatar for more updates related to the online courses. Anyway, let's start it. So the first course is the Web Developer Bootcamp course. This course is a complete guide course of web development, included courses CSS, Node, HTML, JS. In this course on Udemy, you will learn about how to make static CSS, HTML forms along with validations. You will learn how to identify and avoid the frequent securities, and you will learn how to make blog applications from the beginning. You will learn about the HTTPS requests in detail. You will learn how to use JS data structures, and you will learn how to install useful packages using npm. And this course for someone who is a beginner without any experience or wish to learn web development, then you go and take this course. And this course is also for the people who have experience of beginner level in CSS and HTML and want to learn the advanced level. Then definitely go for this course and check out the link given below in the description box and register yourself. So the next course is the complete web development bootcamp course. This course is also on the Udemy. Here you will learn about the various web development tools like CSS, Node, HTML, and Web 3D apps and JavaScript. Here you will learn how to create the complete website and web applications for your business or your startup, and you will learn the newest technologies like React, Web 3 development, JavaScript, and React. After this course, you would able to create any website you want to create, and you will become the expert in the front end and back end development, and you are capable for applying an position for the junior developer. This course for someone who wants to create their own websites and applications, and this course is also good for the experienced programmers. You will gonna learn about the newest frameworks and Node.js. If you want to create your own website and a web application, then go and check out the link pinned below in the description box. So our next course is the build the responsive real world websites with HTML and CSS. This course is also on the Udemy. Here you will learn the modern CSS and HTML along with CSS Grid and Flexbox by making your own website. Here you will learn the ways to make your own website function properly on every mobile device. You will learn the modern CSS, in which includes CSS Grid and Flexbox. You will learn how to create design beautiful projects, and from the beginning you will learn how to all the must known developer skills like documentations, debugging, reading, and how to use the professional tools. You would able to test your own skills with many challenging include in this course along with this solutions. And this course is for the beginners who want to wish to create their interactive websites, and also for someone who have previous knowledge of CSS and HTML but they couldn't assemble their website. They can also take this course. And this course is also web designers for also they can enhance their skills by learning CSS 3 and HTML 5. If you want to create interactive websites, then go and check out the link given below in the description box. Now the fourth one course is HTML and CSS for beginners, build a website and launch online. This course is also on the Udemy. It is a complete guide of HTML and CSS for newcomers. Here you will learn about the CSS and HTML. Here you will learn all the necessary skills needed in HTML in building websites. After completing this course, you would be able to find good job as a web developer. This course is for newcomers who don't have knowledge about the web development and want to learn quickly. It is for someone who wants to quick guide to CSS and HTML. This course is also find useful for the coders also who wants to learn coding. If you want to learn the HTML CSS quickly, then go and check out the link given below. So our next course is advanced CSS and Sass Flexbox, Grid, animation, and many more courses are there in this course is also on the Udemy. Here you will learn the advanced courses of CSS, modern CSS, and CSS Grid, Flexbox, responsive designs. Here we able use the modern techniques of CSS that would help to create your beautiful effects and designs. You will learn about the more advanced responsive designs along with the mobile first and versus desktop first media queries. Here you will learn about the NPM ecosystem along with building process and development workflows. After this course, you will get in the depth into understanding the CSS. You will learn how to make real life projects using CSS Grid and Flexbox. This course is for the CSS developers who wish to upgrade their existing skills and want to learn the latest versions of CSS and HTML designs. This course also for useful for the front-end developers who wants to learn CSS and want to know how it works behind, and experienced CSS developers who wants to learn the additional skills like Sass, SVG, NPM, Flexbox can also take this course. And this course also taken by the beginners also who wants to learn CSS in depth. Then you want to learn it, then go and check out the link given below the description box. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye all of you.